JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and open a Progressive Insurance online account. So to do this is pretty simple. So here in Progressive, all you have to do is go to the Progressive website or the application, and here you want to register. So basically you will have to place your policy number. So I don't know what's the policy number, to be honest. So I'll just place a random one right here, and we're going to place a last name. So we're going to say Bob as our last name, and then here date of birth we're just going to do with a random date. So there, and 2000. So mailing zip code, I'm not sure, so we're just gonna go with this too. So basically you'll have to create your account using this policy number, last name, date of birth, and your mailing zip code. So once that is done, it's gonna load up right here, and you're gonna be able to create your Progressive Insurance online account, and it's still gonna ask you for certain details, of course. And of course, as you can see, it's gonna cross fit the data and actually create an account. So basically you will need your policy number right and your last name right so that you can create your Progressive Insurance account. That's basically it, and if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.